Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing exceptionally well today. Welcome aboard 360 Degrees Traveling, where we're about to experience an exhilarating journey through the magnificent city of Dubai. Prepare to be fascinated as we delve into the amazing spectacle of the Dubai Fountain Show, where water dances to the rhythm of music and lights, creating an unforgettable experience. Afterward, we'll venture into the iconic Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise boasting a plethora of world-class stores, entertainment options, and culinary delights to explore. Our adventure awaits, and we can't wait to have you join us. So, fasten your seatbelts, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of Dubai. Dubai Mall comes alive every evening with breathtaking water, music, and a light show, the Dubai Fountain. Imagine a stage as vast as 2 football fields, set on the Burj Lake, with the iconic Burj Khalifa as its backdrop. Here, towering jets of water dance to enchanting music, reaching heights of 500 feet. Over 6,600 lights and colorful projectors transform the water into an amazing display. One moment it's graceful arcs swaying in time with the music, the next it's playful formations that will leave you smiling. The soundtrack itself is a delightful mix, featuring everything from classical pieces to popular tunes, ensuring there's something for everyone. This is free. Catch the Dubai Fountain Show every evening from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. There's a short break between shows for you to catch your breath and grab some photos. It's an experience that will leave you feeling awestruck and wanting more. In the background, the Burj Khalifa's elegance and grandeur illuminates the Dubai skyline with its dazzling lights. Its sleek silhouette pierces the darkness, standing as a symbol of architectural brilliance, and capturing the imagination of all who behold it. Stepping into Dubai Mall is like entering a world of pure luxury. It stands as a testament to Dubai's status. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or simply window shopping, prepare to be dazzled. Spanning an awe-inspiring 5.9 million square feet, it holds the title of being the largest mall in the world by total area. Situated in the heart of downtown Dubai, adjacent to the iconic Burj Khalifa, the mall attracts millions of visitors annually, offering a truly unparalleled shopping and leisure experience. High-end department stores offer the latest collections from the world's most coveted labels. Housing over 1,300 retail outlets, the mall is a haven for shopaholics, featuring an extensive array of high-end fashion brands, luxury boutiques, and designer stores. From renowned fashion houses like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel to popular retailers such as H&M and Zara, there's something to cater to every taste and preference. But luxury goes beyond clothing. Explore dazzling jewelry stores showcasing exquisite pieces and electronics havens with cutting-edge gadgets. Beyond its impressive retail offerings, the Dubai Mall offers a diverse range of entertainment options to delight visitors of all ages. One of its standout attractions is the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, home to thousands of marine animals including sharks, rays, and exotic fish. Visitors can marvel at the amazing underwater world through the largest acrylic panel aquarium in the world or embark on a fascinating underwater tunnel experience. So come explore, browse, and maybe even find that perfect treasure. In addition to its entertainment offerings, the Dubai Mall is a culinary paradise, boasting an extensive selection of dining options to satisfy every palate. Whether you're craving gourmet cuisine from Michelin-starred chefs, indulgent desserts from world-renowned patisseries, or authentic flavors from around the globe, the mall's diverse dining scene has you covered. Beyond shopping, entertainment, and dining, the Dubai Mall offers a host of other amenities and attractions to enhance the visitor experience. The mall is home to the luxurious Dubai Mall Hotel, providing convenient accommodation for travelers looking to stay in close proximity to the city's top attractions. Additionally, visitors can take Advantage of services such as concierge assistance, currency exchange, and valet parking to ensure a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. The Dubai Mall exudes an eternal charm, drawing people from all corners of the globe to its luxurious corridors and amazing ambience. The mall always stays charmed with the crowd. Whether indulging in high-end shopping or simply soaking in the enchanting atmosphere, visitors are inevitably drawn to its allure, making it a perennial gathering place where moments of luxury and leisure seamlessly converge. The Dubai Mall is more than just a shopping destination. It's a world-class entertainment complex that offers an unrivaled blend of luxury, leisure, and excitement. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, thrill seeker, or gastronomic adventurer, the mall promises an unforgettable experience that embodies the spirit of Dubai's vibrant and dynamic lifestyle. That was a great experience for Dubai. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for future videos. Until then, support us by subscribing and stay tuned. Take care, everyone.